Hi there. I'm Barrett Young, and I'm both the tax partner and the marketing partner here at GWCPA. My partner Samantha Bowling and I were part of the initial test work group with Byron and Twyla testing this through TB Academy and the MACPA. Byron is a longtime friend of mine, and I'm always happy to get a chance to hang out with him and talk technology. I expected Byron would probably have a couple power tips that I hadn't been aware of yet, but Sam and I had already been using AI for a long time at this point. We'd even rolled out ChatGPT to our entire team earlier in the year before taking the course. And so I wasn't really looking for any kind of perspective shift or new ideas around AI. I mostly was just interested in providing feedback for this valuable course for the profession that Byron and Twyla were creating. Within the first 30 minutes, though, of that first session, the value of this course had been proven. I was seeing new approaches to AI. I was learning things that I had not yet had a chance to test or discover for myself. And I was seeing real practical experience using AI for accounting, for tax, beyond just rewriting emails and using it in our marketing. By the second session that we'd met, I had already had the wheels spinning in my head on how I could write a custom GPT around succession planning for our target market and bring that to our client list. This was something that we launched in December 2024 on our YouTube channel. That video brings leads now to our website where they can find the custom GPT, and they can also sign up for a weekly list where I send out weekly AI training tips to our client list. And because of that video and the custom GPT, I also had the opportunity to be featured in Accounting Today alongside 5 other CPAs who are using AI in their daily applications as well. One of the biggest wins for Sam and I, though, is we actually sent our operations manager as part of the next 3 or 4 people to go through the course. And our operations manager, he's skeptical when it comes to AI. As our IT guy, he has concerns about security, and he wasn't really convinced that there was any real kind of intelligence happening in AI. He was completely changed by going through the course, though. He is a believer. He's using AI on a daily basis for our operations, for ways to improve our company. He's actually become more of a power user in AI than I would consider myself at this point. And he probably could even give Byron a run for his money if there were ever any kind of AI games testing the best kind of prompt. Byron, I hope you're up for the challenge. The bottom line for our profession is that this course will get you up to speed very quickly in a short amount of time. Not everybody has the interest, not everybody has the time to invest 18 months of their life trying to do it themselves in AI to figure out the best way to use it in your daily life. And this course will get you there. I think the biggest win that we actually have, and this is hard for CPAs to do, is AI is an invitation to learn in public. We have gained so much benefit by being open with our clients about using AI. We're asking them in meetings, have you tried throwing that into AI, seeing what it comes up with? The custom GPT is providing to our target market advice that normally in the past CPAs would charge money just to have a phone call about. We are demonstrating to our clients, we're demonstrating to our team, AI is not scary, that the accountants of the future are going to be the ones that are using AI to get ahead, using AI to find improvements, to find little efficiencies and huge breakthroughs. One of my favorite prompts for AI is after I've given it all the information, what I think is the proper response, I'm then going to ask it, what are my blind spots? What am I missing here? In asking AI for recommendations, if I say, give me the top 3 software applications for XYZ, I'm then going to ask it, which 2 to 3 applications did you not include in this list? And why did you exclude them in your recommendations? This is really breakthrough, power move AI stuff that we can use in our daily lives. You're going to learn about this and more in this course. Byron and Twyla, I just want to thank you so much for investing the time into piloting this with the MACPA. And I thank you so much for building a community of accountants that are learning AI together for the future of this great profession.